Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to make a video to help you figure out how to log on to your child's Gmail account. So once you get on your computer, you're going to pull up whatever your internet browser is. Ours are Chrome. And so you will go to the Google page where it allows you to log in. And I am going to go to add another account. If you've never logged into Google and you don't use Google, then you can do this. It'll just come up with nobody's accounts on there. So I'm going to enter my daughter. I've sent her a mock invite so that we can see what it looks like on your end. So your child's email and password are on the back of their take-home folder. It's going to be your child's last name dot first name at springboro.org, and then you'll hit next. And then their password is going to be their 6-digit student ID number, and then the word GO, G-O, no caps, no spaces. So that's her student ID number, and then G-O. And then you can see it like this quickly, like that. And then here we go. Okay, and then I don't want to create a new Chrome profile just because I don't want to have her stuff on here, but you can do that if that pops up on your browser. So I'm going to hit no thanks. If it pops up like this and it gives you Google here, you're going to either click this link for Gmail or you're going to click these dots. If you go to this, it's still going to give you the option for Gmail too, so you can do either one. Once you click on their email, you should view an email from me. It will say Krista Curry and it'll say invitation. And so you'll click on that, and then it will show this. So you don't have to accept the invite. I know that you're going to be there because you've signed up for that time. But if you want to go ahead and accept the invite, you'll click yes here. And then if you go down to this, it says join with Google Meet. This is the link that you'll click on when it's our conference time. And when you click on it, it's going to pop up like this. And over here, it says ask to join. But you will, if I'm already in there, it will say Mrs. Curry is in the Meet. And then it'll say join on there. And you'll want to have capability for the video portion and the microphone so that we can hear each other and see each other. So, and then you'll just join when it's your time. And then when we're done, I'll hit end and then it will go away and you can log out of your kid's account and everything then. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Thanks.